Imagine you've just sent a Zelle payment to a friend or family member. Everything seems normal until you realize the money hasn't arrived. Panic sets in. What do? How can you track a Zelle transaction? A personal anecdote. Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, I was in a pinch and needed to send money to my cousin urgently. I used Zelle, thinking it was the fastest and most secure way. But when I checked with my cousin, they hadn't received anything. I was baffled. I double-checked the recipient's information, and the transaction had appeared to go through. So, I started frantically searching for answers. Understanding Zelle. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money instantly. It's a popular choice due to its speed and convenience. But what happens when something goes wrong? How can you track a Zelle transaction? Step-by-step guide. Check your bank's online portal. This is the first and most obvious step. Log into your bank's online portal and go to your transaction history. Look for the Zelle transaction. If it's there, check the status. It should indicate whether the payment was successful or pending. If the payment is pending, give it some time. Zelle transactions are typically processed within minutes. Contact the recipient. Reach out to the person you sent the money to. Ask them if they've received it. If they haven't, double-check the email address or phone number you used. Even a small typo can cause issues. Verify the recipient's bank. If the recipient still hasn't received the money, contact their bank. Provide them with the Zelle transaction details, such as the amount and the date. They can check their system to see if the payment has been received. Contact Zelle customer support. If you've tried the steps above and still haven't found a resolution, it's time to contact Zelle customer support. They can help you track the transaction and resolve any issues. Save transaction details. After sending a Zelle payment, make sure to save the transaction details, including the amount, date, and recipient's information. This will help you if you need to contact your bank or Zelle customer support. Double-check information. Before sending a Zelle payment, double-check the recipient's information. Even a small typo can cause problems. Use Zelle responsibly. Zelle is a convenient way to send money, but it's important to use it responsibly. Be cautious about sending money to people you don't know well, and never share your personal information with anyone over the phone or online. Tracking a Zelle transaction can be frustrating, but it's not impossible. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can increase your chances of resolving the issue quickly. Remember, patience is key. It may take some time to get to the bottom of the problem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.